DIY traditional weaving, crafting textiles with hand looms. Ever wondered how people created beautiful fabrics before machines took over? Traditional weaving is an ancient craft, and today, I'll show you how to master it using simple hand looms and natural fibers. Discover the art of traditional weaving. Learn 11 expert tips to craft textiles using hand looms and natural fibers. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. Tip 1. Start with the right fiber. Cotton is beginner friendly, wool is warm and flexible, and linen adds a rustic charm. Tip 2. Choose a sturdy loom. Frame looms are perfect for beginners, while backstrap looms allow for portability. Tip 3. Warp your loom properly. Ensure even tension for a smooth weave. Uneven warping leads to distorted patterns. Tip 4. Learn basic weaving patterns. Start with plain weave, then explore twill and basket weave for unique textures. Tip 5. Use natural dyes. Onion skins, turmeric, and indigo create stunning, chemical-free colors. Tip 6. Keep your weft yarn tension balanced. Too tight, and your fabric shrinks. Too loose, and it falls apart. Tip 7. Create intricate designs with simple tools. A comb can help pack the weft tightly, while a fork makes quick adjustments. Tip 8. Try traditional techniques like tapestry weaving to add decorative elements to your fabric. Tip 9. Experiment with textures. Mix fibers like silk and wool for a unique feel. Tip 10. Practice patience. Weaving takes time, but every thread brings you closer to a handmade masterpiece. Tip 11. Finish your fabric with a proper edge technique like hem stitching to prevent unraveling. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Results vary based on experience and materials used.